Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be guiding you through the process of how you can log in into the Merrick online banking account of yours. Now to begin with, let's start with opening the Merrick Bank web page on the browser. First of all, open any browser on your PC that you have been currently in use of. Then on a new tab, type in merrickbank.com and press enter. This will lead you to the official web page of the Merrick Bank. Now you can see the login section over here. Here you need to provide the username or the email address that you have provided during the account creation period of time. Then below you need to type in your password for the Merrick Bank. Then you need to click on login and you will get logged in with the credential provided. If you forgot your username or the password for the online banking of your Merrick Bank, you can just click on the link provided below. I'm going to open a new tab. You will be directed to the page where you will be able to recover your password for the account. Now here you just need to provide the account number and the username and you click on continue. Then you will have to go through a few procedures to recover your password. Similarly, for the username, you click on here, click on forgot username. This will lead to the forgot the username recovery page. Here you provide the account number, the last 4 digits of your social security number, then your last name, and then click on continue and you will proceed for the recovery of your username. Hope this video was useful and you have learned how easily you can log in into your account and how you can recover the password or the user ID if you forgot it. If this video was useful, please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and the updates. Thank you.